Well, this time around I have a quick tip for you, and it's just an indication that how important it is to experiment with blend modes and kind of start to understand what some of them do. Here's a situation that we might face where someone has sent us a scan, just black and white, and they want us to colorize it, turn it into two colors. And at first glance that could sound pretty challenging, especially when we got a lot of things to select. But it's actually not that difficult if you approach it in a particular way. So I've just changed the blend mode to RGB, and first I'm going to choose the color I want for the background. So I'm going to pick just kind of a pale background because they want two shades of the same kind of color. Well, at first glance you might think, well, I'd have to put on a different layer or select it or do something to try and get all the white areas, because I want to basically fill the white areas with this color. But actually it can be very, very easy. It's really very easy. I don't have to make any selections, I don't do anything else. I just have to go to the edit menu and choose fill. In the fill dialog box I'm going to use my foreground color, but I'm going to change the blend mode, and that's the key. And I'm going to change the blend mode to darken. And what that's really saying is, look at my color here and look at what I'm trying to color. It's like you're saying only fill areas that you can make darker. That's what darken mode really means in this case. So if I look at my image, it can't, this color won't make this darker because black is as dark as it gets. So even if it's a dark gray color, it still can't do it. So the only thing it can darken will be the background. So I click OK, and that's done. Then I just have to simply pick a different color, and let's use a darker version of the same kind of shade. Same thing, I just have to go to the fill command, and in this case choose lighten, because all I want to do is take whatever color is dark here and make it a lighter color, meaning this one. So you can't, this color can't lighten this one because of the difference, so I just have to click OK, and we're done. Simple as that. Now, of course, let me undo that. We could narrow down our focus if we wanted to. If I just said I want this part to be added to the color, then I just have to do the same thing, fill, lighten, but because that area is selected, now just the logo will be adjusted. So you can see just with a bit of work, it's very easy to do. Now ultimately, of course, for other things it'd be better to have this on a layer, but if all you want to do is colorize something really quickly, that's a very simple way. Just compare the color you're using with the color that's in the image, white or black, and just think of that lighten or darken mode. Check it out. It's pretty cool. So as you said, quick, simple solution for that sort of problem. And that's one of the reasons you need to really dig down inside, deep into blending modes. You'll never know what you find down in there when you start looking around. I'm Dave Cross. You'll see me next time. See me next time. Oh boy.